Here we are at the Riu Palace Tropical Bay in Negril, Jamaica, room 4322. Let's have a little look-see. Coming in, 2 double beds. These appear to be doubles, not queens. Sitting area, some lovely little drawers, table. There's a closet. Comes with robes and the safe. Looks like extra blankets in case your air conditioning is working well. Right over here behind, we have the mini bar all stocked and ready to go. There was an ice machine downstairs to fill this up. And right in here we have the refrigerator. All stocked. Looks like Coca-Cola, Sprite, got some Schweppes, some Red Stripe, and some water down below. And let's check out the bathroom. Oh, nice standing shower with a rain head. The hair dryer is right here. Sink. And there's the potty. Makeup mirror. Nice. All right. Let's check out the view. So we were upgraded to TV. Upgraded to our ocean view, partial ocean view. Let's see what we got. And balcony. Comes with a place to hang your suits, a couple of chairs, and there we have it. Beautiful Negril Beach. Hope to hear you from soon.